That is going to be Jared Pena. Goes to Elgin, lives in Elgin, but from South Elgin High School. Okay, now they changed them around here, so let's do this again. Inside row 1 is going to be the 197 of Harlem High School's Douglas Neiswanger. Outside of him is going to be the 48, Jared Pena. Inside row 3 is the 16 of Zachary Hawkins. Outside of him, the 05 of Alex Schluter out of South Elgin. And back there in the 13 car, I don't have, that's Morgan Mooshund, I believe is who that is. And the 25, that is Zach something. I know I have his name somewhere. All right. So they're going to bring them around here. There's a couple of them with some experience out here. The 197 definitely has experience. And green flag, and we're racing, I think. First time ever in the car for the 48 and the 105, ever. 25's first time was just last weekend. So Douglas Neiswanger's off to the races. Followed by Zachary Hawkins. Followed by Zach in the 25 car. Or I'm sorry, that's Tyler in the 25 car. So the 25 getting around the 16 of Zachary Hawkins. 25 looking to work on the inside of our leader, Douglas Neiswanger. So it's Harlem High School. The 25 is from Janesville Parker High School. So we've got Harlem battling Janesville. And then you've got another Harlem. Then you've got two of the Elgin high schools. And then we have a Harlem high school in the 13 car. Those are coming around again. It's going to be Neiswanger to hang on. But here comes Tyler in the 25 car. Zach Hawkins starting to close in on Tyler in the 25 car. Let's see what he can do. The 16 car of Hawkins last weekend when he was here didn't have a very good night. Looks like he's doing much better so far. And our South Elgin drivers here in the Elgin High School, their teacher, Mark Conning, let the guys here come out and use the car. Curious to see who's going to win that battle between those two drivers. But we look like we may have a great battle for the lead here. As Tyler looking to the inside of Douglas Neiswanger, and something came off of Tyler's car. So it's the Janesville driver versus the Harlem High School driver. Who's got the Harlem driver? Who's got Janesville? One of these guys is going to win. Zachary Hawkins goes way high on the wall. Let's see, can Harlem get the win? Let him hear ya. Here he comes. It's going to be Douglas Neiswanger for the High School Racing Association to get his first win. All right. Second goes to the 25 of Tyler, and I need to get his last name. Third to Zachary Hawkins. Fourth place to the 48 of Jared Pena. Fifth place to the 05 of Alex Schluter. And sixth place would be the 13 car. I believe that's a girl. I had those notes, but I don't know. So Douglas Neiswanger getting his moment of glory. He's somebody I want to interview. I talk to him in the pits all the time. He races with the Sixer division, and yeah, he says, don't ever interview me. All right. So as he's going to get out. So that 13 car going around, I'll give you the names here in a minute. Let's make some noise. It's Douglas Neiswanger. Representing Harlem High School. I know he's a happy man. In a Ford Taurus. Well, how about that? Ford power.